What's going on, fellas? Long time no talkie. Almost killed myself right now. Tripped on my boot. Didn't even see it. Check this beast out. Traded the 225DX for it. All it needed was a set of rings. Well, it needs more than that, but cosmetically it's kind of rough. Well, it is rough. But I'll tell you what, this thing has a shit ton of compression, so I just rebuilt it. And it purrs like a kitten. Oh, man. Side case cracked. Well, I thought that thing even cracked even more. Shoo. Had me worried for a second. Somebody repaired it there, as usual. Has a brand new, well, brand used K&N. Mechanically, it's great. I think it actually runs better than my built TRI-Z. Like, it's quiet. It doesn't rattle. It's rough. But it's all there. Lights work. Check this out. Switches on there. Couldn't believe that. Somebody put a tether on it. It's got some sweet, check this out. Sweet silencer on it. Look at that beast. Bet you guys haven't seen one of those. That's old school. But check this out. Add to my collection. Oh, look at that. Yeah. What the heck, those metal shavings on there. I put them things on the wall because they look cool. Yeah, we'll see what I've been up to lately. Just rebuilt this beast. 01 RM80. Had to put a new top end on it. That thing screams. I gotta put a new chain on it. I'm working on these LT80s. You guys haven't seen these things. This has a CT race pipe on it. Clutch kit. Big carb. I think there's a big bore on it as well. Can't remember. And I got that thing there. It's all stock. You guys seen the old Yamaha? I'll be riding the hell out of that thing. I put like 1,200 miles on it. I haven't really been making any videos. I've been enjoying the last parts of summer here. Part a couple cars out and everything else. I got parts everywhere. Everywhere. Been doing the whole eBay thing. Doors and everything else. There's the beasts all tucked away. Haven't rode them thing in months. That TRI-Z hasn't been on the track in probably 3 months. I ran a couple races this year with it, and that was about it. But, yeah. This thing here, I'll tell you what. It's got a 256 kicker on it, which is cool. But I need to get a stock. I'm going to put a stock muffler on it. And make it quiet. I think I'm just going to woods ride this thing. Probably get some new Mare plastic for it. Lights all work. It sucks too, because I went to pick this thing up. Well, it was in Maryland, stayed away. But a guy had a brand new front tire on a rim. Or another tire on the rim that was pretty decent. And I forgot it. Because it has new tires on the back, so brakes all work. Not too bad, not too bad. Yeah, I got parts everywhere. Basement of my house is jam-packed. I got all these plastic shelving units in my basement just stacked deep. It's like 10 deep. 3 wide. It's stupid. I've been really going hard on eBay. I'll make that money. Yeah, so I think I have, if I did some math right, I think I have 250 bucks in this thing. So I traded my 225 for it, but I traded those quad sports I had. I never did work on them. Traded the quad sports for my 225, then I traded for this. So, not too bad. It even has all the intake pieces, which I'm pretty excited about. It's missing a spring here, but I do have one. Been hoarding stuff. Finally getting to use all them parts from all these years that I've been saving. It's like, just like freaking meant to be. I swear, everything happens just like that for me. Yeah, check this out. I think it's pretty sweet. Yeah. I was going to put this big bore kit. I don't know if I ever showed you guys this thing. Let me dig it out real quick. I've been working on this for a while. My secret cache. Hold on. Bear with me. Check this out. Oh, if I can even get it apart. Anyhow. flip her over. 76 millimeter TRI-Z cylinder. See the porting in that thing? It's freaking massive. It's running a Yamaha jet ski piston. Had to weld it up because it was ported out so far. I had to weld all that back up and reinforce it. So I still have to go through with the die grinder and then clean all this up. Had a crack in the cylinder there. But yeah, she's thin. She's definitely thin. Might be able to bore it out just a tiny bit more if I did blow it up, but I'm probably gonna put this on for next season on the 86 TRI-Z. I gotta get a copper head gasket made and send that head out and get the squish band checked on it. I'm gonna send it out to the machine shop, have them check everything, get that done right. Probably get it cut for race gas or something. Run some VP or get that other stuff. I can't remember what it is, C92 or whatever. But yeah, pretty cool. I figured I'd just take a video for you guys, let you know what I've been up to. Haven't uploaded in a while. Been slacking on the videos, but I've been staying pretty busy. So you know, when you don't see any videos, I've been pretty busy. It's only when I get kind of caught up today. Well, I'm not caught up now, but look at all these freaking parts here. Z400. I got 350X bins. Freaking 350X bins. All kind of stuff. You name it, I probably got it. Heads, pipes, cylinders, pistons, cranks. Man, I need to start cleaning the house. But alright, I'm going to get back to working on this beast here, and then I'll catch you guys next video, probably here in a couple days. See ya.